How that? BMW top drop.
Great shot. Yeah.
Yo, what a trend. Oh, the trendy Dancehall. Subscribe. Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subs. Bless up, bless up. Welcome back to another video on the trendy Dancehall. You see me? So today we are going to talk about what the description of the video say. So please consider to subscribe if I your first time. Yes sir. Yeah man people, so Solaine go hard. Man I go tell no lie, she go hard. As you can see her beats, yeah man people. So that them picture and thing are circulate social media right now. You see me? And yeah man, the blue ear enough for spice them say alone. See Solaine take it over there. And as far as me see it, it's good for no say yo, age don't have nothing to do with how you enjoy your life. You get my peeps? Yeah man. So as far as me know too, I don't know where she go, but who do know you can comment that down below. You see me? But it was a vibe. And if it's a music video shoot, just know this is gonna get enough views. People want to see that there. People want to see what was this all about. You see me? Yeah man. So I don't know the vibes, people. Subscribe for the first time, cause Solaine now ease them up for the new year. You see me? I don't know who set her up, but somebody has set her up, but she never set her up good nor rotted. You see me, people? Yeah man, anybody can live good life, man. They say that. You see me? People, so talking about good life. You see me? You know that the same thing they murdered a brother here for name Slaughta Tone. Is a DJ internationally. You see me? A Jamaica the man come dead. And them have $1 million reward for the person who murdered that. You see me? And it don't look good for see. We as Jamaican I try make it in our life. And the same broke pockets ones them and bring me back down, left the place in a bad state, cause guess what? Be a broke pocket people are gonna left if you don't believe me.
You see, if you do good, no go to Jamaica. If you're doing well in life, don't you ever go to Jamaica. Alright, 11:30. We can't sit down and eat. Alright. One thing I can't ever say to you right now, I'm going to believe me. You see, look for footer. Remember, you know, footer, I say him are the governor of Jamaica, you know. And him walk around with Jamaica, lad them pan him blood clot neck like it all pop off, you know, daddy. You see me, I did? Remember, say them man, they walk around with Jamaica Bible and them blood clot seed and him. Fuck me? Come on from life. Fuck. You even a black here, okay. Wait now. Remember say them the man there walk around with it on his neck. Me love Jamaica, Jamaica no like this, Jamaica no this, Jamaica no that. And not even him no one blood clot go down there. Not even footer hype. We sit down every day and talk about this and in talk about Jamaica no believe in that. Jamaica is not all about that. Jamaica this, Jamaica that. From the year start, no island in the Caribbean have blood clot crime rate like Jamaica. As you look, you see 4 or 5 more dead. You see 5 or 6 more dead, you know. Remember I said this year the island wanna get up and beat people for every day and I talk about so you not believe in that. We don't believe in a sodomite Pretti Don, but we don't believe in all of them people who are murder on one another down at that pussy clot, eh? Mama Papa and the whole of the jankro with there, yes or no. Remember so we don't believe in it, you know. I want to general them who down there will make you know, live a better life, no? Remember, you know, yeah man, I'm a general. I found a general, them they want to kill off the people, you know. Nowadays, they have money and you have like a success in a life. You not even think for buy one house in Jamaica. You think for go buy a house in Puerto Rico. You think for go buy a house all Who know one part, one of the highland, one place, and nobody no know you can't have no bad mind. Who don't like, say nobody gonna write and all that, the people will kill Mr. Slaughta, you know, guess what? How could I bridging them? Some people might know from a long time. You understand me? I deal. Someone tell you dead at Jamaica if you know something. Because you know all the brother they are dead. You get gunshot. You see me I deal with? I want to show you nothing about yard. Remember, you know, I only say I have this can't go on a yard. If only did put out so much strength in our justice system and the murder rate of Jamaica, like how I put it out in a sodomite and batty man. Jamaica crime rate on a blood clot stay the way it's there. Remember all 38 people a day are dead down at that. Remember so when you look down and mocking nasty broke blood clot Jamaica broke like dog, you know, on a behave just like on the economy broke. Now go nowhere. No one have blood clot. Go the worst in the Caribbean. The only thing who have a blood clot name. You think more than me? What day I saw when I look a Yankee friend and call Link baby. And I said, hey Pretti, I can't wait for you to take me to Jamaica. I said, me? Me? Think you go down there? Me never yet introduced Jamaica to nobody yet. Me would have never send somebody go down there for no vehicle. If I'm alone and I make no money down at that blood clot. The other day, when I look me, I say, I kidnap foreigner and I kill them down at that. You know, I do all kind. Which part are we now? You feel like, say, when we go in a store, boy, me no use Jamaican accent more. If you're not have to know, say me come from Jamaica, you don't know. You must be blood clot, man. No, what don't at that for your blood clot? Remember now, ask Serpy. A Serpy have a whole life vlog them nowadays because a film channel at. Why? Because I want to start this year. You think I mix up and whole I have a run. Go for yeah, man. I wonder how them talk about today. Jesus Christ. Yeah. No. Serpy have the real truth them over there. So what really are going on yard? What we fi show the tourists them. At that tourists we see. And that the tourists them fear. What you want me to come talk about? This is the land of my Jamaica, a dirty place. Moon want not even one dog to live down at that blood clot. Me, one of mine, me could have all my power in my hand. None of my family they not live down at that blood clot. More than me, before them dip me, rather take my own life. I saw me look on Jamaica. When them put me in the hole in cell for sell me go yard, I rather hang myself. You see me I did? Me rather put a rope around my neck and hang myself down, come down, they can stay with them. The best thing not for it ever happened to me in a life, I went out with get all a one visa for cut out left for the blood clot. No for no auntie or no cousin them want to see no look for no go suck no mother down at that blood clot. Me I tell you that straight. None of we know, you think we not glad for see none of we not call it. Straight here, I don't lie. Me attack for myself. Before me get deep come down at that with uno, me rather hang my blood clot self in the same holding cell. Them have some little sheet where them put on the jail bed, them would and tie that. And hang my bomb clot cell before me come down the con. Would take my own life before me come down the con be around, you know. Nobody no want migrate come down at that. You see me? Nobody no want migrate. Remember, say me don't know so I don't listen like me already, you know. So me have to ask why me would have. Remember, as enough people, all of them on a sodomite, they not even last 2-3 days down at them yard, don't murder them. You understand me? Jamaica is not a place I would tell anybody to go. All of the tourists board don't make a cent because of blood clot me. If me if I go up on national TV, I would have bring down Jamaica before I bring on up. I swear to God. Before me have nothing good to say about Jamaica, and have to show me something good. Yeah man, you go talk so about we because you want sodomite. And you know we not like sodomite. My out and pussy wall idiot bitch girl and dirty boy. All people want a sodomite now want to come down the south part and they go suck out on no mother. Oh you mean? Chejana, where the fuck? Where you are doing for my life? Me call you over here? Me not call you over here, mama. If you that Jamaica, you have to stay down there. You see the little blue frock you have on, you need to take it off and put it around your fat blood clot. They can chop off one tree. Nasty girl. Me say your fucking country corrupt, you deaf? Corrupt like your drawers scratches them. You see the yellow and the green and the blue stain them when your drawers are so Jamaica blood clot corrupt. You see that? Yeah, man, what you want me to come here to come say? Me not come here to come contact no blood clot rare. Pussy! Your country are not nothing. You deaf? Ooh, I mean, go and watch the news. It's on YouTube too. What you want me to come here to come Jamaica? Jamaica is not even the best island, it's worse. The only thing we don't have a blood clot name. And the only thing that we don't have a name and fame. Everything round on our shit. On live in a toilet full of shit, but every day on the get up on yeah. Jamaica people, how you tear down what? Jamaica tear down into one blood clot self. You think you need me? Me can't this place where I come from? Suck your mother! You deaf? You think me glad to come from down there? I am not a proud Jamaican, beat me if you want. Mama, if I could have given you back on a blood clot accent, I go on it too. Mama, if I could have unborn from down at that bomber clot, I would have done the same. So don't tell me how to fucking feel. Pussy, you have my feelings. Me say, I wish me never born, wish for you born, idiot girl. That me say. You deaf? Remember so you don't like me, so I can't say that. Jamaica the best for you. You sit down there and say the best. Where? Which part? Not even big foreign have a crime rate like Uno. Me, the hood, they down the road, I'm watch American news every day. And people not dead, yes so. Like how Uno, one little circumference of land, people are dead there. So how you not gonna beat me? Look here, blood clot beat me. What the fuck you not beat me, say? Pussy me can't say because I remember someone not like me, go suck on a mother youth. Me sorry, me blood clot born, that's so. Because other places in the world are better than that. What the fuck you gonna beat me through, me sister? I know for not talk about say you're rare. Pussy, you no beat me. You no do me all kind of sit in Jamaica, me have all right for no like you know. The amount of things you no do me, we never do no nothing yet. You do how much in innocent people so much things. You beat people for live on that bridge. You beat people for fuck this and fuck that. But the people them want to kill off and pitney them. We are shot on the mother them in their face. We are shot on the remember say they use all duct tape and kill one elderly. So one community of people run me down already, not because me loud, not because me did a talk, but you me just like one boy and beat me. Remember that, you know? The place, this is the land of my birth. Remember, one time when I see people like me, who run me down, cut me throat and kill me. Remember that. Let's alright. When Jamaicans see people like me, what happened to people like me? Them run you down, gun you down, cut your throat, rape you. If they not rape you, then cut your throat, stab you up, fling you down in the bottom of one water, tie stone around you, make you sink. Me have all right for you to know.